open the VPN application, it will ask connection request. You tap on OK and it will start connecting. As you can see here, it will give you 2 minutes, 3 minutes of connection time, which is crazy. As I said before, guys, I've seen how much of these VPN applications I've reviewed before, and they're pretty much all the same, especially these types of VPN application that gives you only 3 minutes of connection time, and you have to watch a bunch of ads to just get 2 minutes of connection time, which is crazy. But they do work, they do connect, they do give you VPN type of connection, but they're not that fast. And the only server that they have is pretty much the United States servers. But I'm just letting you guys, showing you guys how to use it if you do want to use it. But I would recommend you using these types of VPN applications here because it's just very bad. But with all that said, guys, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.